Welcome to Wayne's Weird World. Gray winter day. Cheers. Yes, I know it's there. Yes, it is. Yeah, you'll have to wait. Well, chatting on Messenger to a guy in Texas, Reggie. Wait, wait. I thought I'd come out and have a look at these different sticks. See, none of these. That one possible. That one? No. None of these have the potential to be the knob carry that he's interested in. What? All right. Woohoo! So, fire things up. And this big lump is the best possibility. But how to hold it still? Easy. Rope around there, on here, stand on it, and it's solid. All right, let's cut this thing and see what we've got. If there's anything worthwhile, I'll find it. Like it. Yep, I'm going to leave it like that. And spoke shave and a few other things. The whole shaft is going to be trimmed down to a little bit thicker than a broom handle. That's going to be a nice knob. But I've got to oil it like straight away. Because, I've got a cut through there. I don't like that. I'm going to take that out. It was turned over so I couldn't see it. Nah. Come on. Because it turns. See that cut there? Trouble is, wants to spin. Oh, that might be all right. That's solid. Okay, let's trim off a little bit more. with the carbide bit on my Dremel, I'll be able to take some of that off really, really easily, and a lot safer than having it turn on me. See, look, I don't like that. Push on it, and it'll jump. I might take just a little bit more off, right there. Hopefully it won't jump on me, because I value my fingers and everything else. And my head. Nah, that's not going to be very steady. There's a cut in there. I don't know. Oh, that's all right. Leave that. It's a serious lump. Yeah, I think the carbide bit on the Dremel will be good for taking out places like that, rounding off that, taking off that corner there. So when you start blocking out areas, you can start to see where it might come good. See, that'll be cut out to about like that. When you block out an area, you can start to see where I'm going to be trimming. Along there, take out lumps like that. Yeah. That will be a serious knob stick. I mean, real serious. But I've got to oil it like ASAP. Off you go. Woohoo! Where'd it go? Might be stuck in the tree now. All right, that's it. Wayne's Weird World. We'll see you next time. Winter Wonderland. Ha! Oh, you found it! Good boy. We'll see ya. Cheers.